Hi everyone and welcome to memory recall video number 10, where we're going to keep testing our memory recall skills on maths formula, facts, and keep practicing those key skills ready for doing our GCSE Higher papers. By now you'll be aware that we're going to do these on a daily basis, or at least every other day. We're not going to try and do them straight after each other because that's not how they're designed. It's all about forgetting it and then recalling it, and that's how it strengthens your mind. As ever, we're going to have some facts and formulas at the end. I've kept some the same and I've added a couple of different ones in this time. So at this point, I want you to pause the video, have a go at the questions. I'll go through answers in a second. Okay, and here are the solutions. So first of all, we're factorizing. When we're factorizing, we need to look for those common factors. We're looking for the thing that I can get out of both term. So this time I've got numbers in both of them. I've got 18 and a 3. The biggest factor of 18 and 3 is 3. I've got an r squared and an r. The biggest thing that goes into r and r squared is just the r. And I've got an s cubed and an s to the power of 5. And again, the biggest thing that goes into both of them is an s to the power of 3. So I bring that out and then I ask myself, what do I times 3 by to get to 18? What do I times r by to get r squared? S cubed is already there. Minus, because there's a minus already. And what do I need to times this by to get to this is s squared. Next one we're going to look at is the nth term of the sequence. So we check and see if they're doing the same thing each time. So in this case they are, and they're going down in 11s. So the first thing that I write down is minus 11n. Then I say, how do I get from minus 11 to 6? What do I need to do? I need to add on 17 to get from minus 11 to 6. So my answer is minus 11n plus 17. Solving in an equation, we've got x squared minus 8 equals 28. Similar to the last one, I'm not trying to trick you as such, but I'm just making sure that we are covering these bases. So we're going to add 8 to both sides, leaving us with x squared equals 36. Then we need to square root it. Now, when we square root it, we have to remember there's both a positive and a negative solution. So just 6 isn't okay. You've got to have positive 6 and negative 6. And the one that I've added in that's different, just to kind of recap, we did this a little while ago. What's the equation of the line that's parallel to this that goes to the point 0, 12? So if it's parallel, it's going to have the same gradient. In this case, the gradient is the number in front of the x. In fact, it's always the number that's in front of the x. In this case, it's minus 3. It crosses the y-axis at 12. So it's going to be y equals minus 3x plus 12. Okay, mark it, green pen it, see how you get on. If you want any topics adding in, please get in touch and let me know, and I'll happily do that. And here are your formula for today. So we've got 6 formulas. I've added a couple of things back in from a little while ago. Area of a triangle and exact values we're keeping in because they're important. And particularly as we're about to start doing more trigonometry, soon I'll be able to add some new things into here as well. But for now, have a go, see how you do. And here are the answers. So area of a triangle, half times base times height, or half base height. We've got area of a trapezium, half the sum of the parallel sides times the distance between them, half a plus b times h. Area of a circle is pi r squared. Sector area is the angle that you've got out of 360 times pi r squared. Your quadratic formula, x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and the exact value of cos 90 is 0. Okay, so hopefully you're finding these videos useful. I'm going to continue to do them. I think this is number 10 now, so we'll keep going until whilst ever we're off school. And hopefully by the time we come back, you'll be feeling confident with some of these retrieval skills. Okay, see you all soon and keep safe. Bye.